Ever say, I arrived in time for 7 p.m? That's a classic mistake, one of the most common in the world. Let's fix in time versus on time. They look similar, but they're not the same. On time means exactly on schedule, not late. The train arrived on time. I got to work on time. Perfect. In time means before the deadline. You made it with time to spare. I arrived in time for the movie. She finished the test in time. Quick tip. On time equals exact. In time equals early enough. So don't mix them up again, okay? If this finally made sense, hit follow for more quick English tips with ESC Grammar and Structure.
Hey everyone, welcome to ESC Grammar and Structure, your channel, where you learn and improve your English grammar and structure.